In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Shopee. So what you want to do is to make sure that your Shopee application is up to date. So if it's not updated to the latest version, you will see an update button right here. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you can do is to go to your phone settings and go to your app settings. Now just search for Shopee and select it. From here, scroll down until you find storage and simply clear its cache and data. So after doing this, what you want to do is close and restart your phone. Now you want to open the Shopee application after restarting your phone. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is to go to your profile and edit your address. So if your address is in long form, just change it to your short form address. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.